Welcome to this video where we will talk about shipment methods and how we can relate them to terms of delivery codes in LogTrade Connect and decide who will pay for freights. So we start here in the documentation website and scroll down in the web walkthrough topics to shipment methods. There you go. And first of all, we should note that there is a difference between domestic consignments and international consignments. When we are shipping within the country, domestic consignments, we have a field on the consignment that is named payer. That field decides who will pay for the freight. But when we go abroad and do international consignments, we use the terms of delivery code on the consignment instead. But even if it's an international consignment, it can be important to set the payer correctly because that has effect on some internal logic inside Business Central. Most importantly, if we should charge the customer for the freight cost or not. Let's go into Business Central. I will actually start in the sales order and take it from there. So I will select here, I'm in Sweden. I will select customer in Norway. So this is an international consignment. And if we scroll down to the shipping and billing, we got DDP as shipment method, and we are using DHL Euroconnect. So if we go and take a look at the list of shipment methods, I will guide you through some changes we have there in LogTrade Connect. First of all, you can see that you can decide the terms of delivery location. And that is, you can choose between 4 different cities here. We will take data from 4 different consignment addresses. We also have relations to terms of deliveries. So if you take a look at the terms of delivery relations here, DDP inside Business Central will translate to 023 when we use DHL Euroconnect, DHL Package, and DHL Pallet. And DDP also has relations to freight payers, which might depend on the source document type. But I have a setup here that regardless of source document type, it's the sender. And if we also take a look at X warehouse, same kind of relations here on the terms of deliveries, 001, but a different payer. And in my example, I have set up X warehouse to be payer is the recipient, and payer decides who the carrier should invoice for the freight cost. In many cases, you should have sender as payer also on X warehouse, since you often want to invoice, you want to use your own customer number at your carrier, and invoice your customer for the freight on the sales order. So we support that, but I'm using recipient here just to in this demo. I will create a consignment from this sales order, and we can see this in effect. So this is the consignment going to Norway. DHL Euroconnect DDP, that means the sender is paying. We got a sender customer number that comes from the table of shipping agent customer number. So this is where we get the customer numbers. If it's a customer, this customer, we will get this customer number at DHL, and our own customer number at DHL is this one. So back to the consignment, DDP translated to 023, and the terms of delivery location is Oslo. And if I change it on the consignment to X warehouse, We will have the recipient with the recipient's customer number, and we should have 001, yep, and Stockholm as the terms of delivery location. So this is the logic behind shipment method code and how that has effect on the payer field and terms of delivery codes and terms of delivery location. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.